Remember rotary phones? Me neither. Those clunky devices with their spinning dials seem like relics from another era. Okay, maybe I do, but they're ancient history now. They belong in museums or as quirky decor in hipster cafes. These days, it's all about texting. We text for everything. Dinner plans. Text. Important life updates. Text. Even a simple hello is now a text. Sharing a funny meme. Definitely a text. It's the quickest way to share a laugh or brighten someone's day. Texting has revolutionized how we communicate. It's become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our routines. It's quick, it's convenient, and let's be honest, sometimes it's just easier than an actual phone call. No need for small talk or awkward pauses. But with all this texting, a new trend has emerged: dry texting. It's a phenomenon that's changing the way we interact. And no, it has nothing to do with waterproof phones. It's all about the content and style of our messages. Dry texting is all about keeping it short, sweet, and to the point. It's the art of minimalism in digital communication. No need for long, drawn-out paragraphs or an excessive amount of images. Just the essentials, nothing more. Think of it as the texting equivalent of a quick, efficient email. It's about getting your message across without any fluff. In a world of constant communication, sometimes less is more. Dry texting is a reflection of our fast-paced lives, where every second counts. So, what exactly is dry texting? It's a term that has become quite popular in recent years, especially among younger generations. In the simplest terms, it's a minimalist approach to texting. This means using the least amount of words to get your point across. It's about conveying your message using as few characters as possible. Often, this involves one-word replies or very short sentences. Think short, direct responses that leave no room for misinterpretation. This can be particularly useful in fast-paced environments where time is of the essence. Why do people choose to be dry texters? The reasons vary. For some, it's a matter of convenience and efficiency. Some people find long text conversations draining. They may feel overwhelmed by the need to respond to lengthy messages. Others prefer to keep their conversations concise and focused. They believe that brevity is the soul of wit. And then there are those who simply value their time and don't want to spend all day glued to their phones. They have other priorities and activities to attend to. Whatever the reason, dry texting is a valid communication style. It has its own set of advantages and can be very effective. It's not about being rude or disinterested. It's a way to communicate that respects both parties' time and energy. It's about being efficient and respectful of everyone's time. So, the next time you receive a short text, remember, it might just be someone trying to be considerate. Becoming a dry texting master is easier than you might think. It all starts with understanding the power of brevity. Your goal is to convey your message using as few words as possible. Don't be afraid to cut out unnecessary words or phrases. Instead of saying, "Hey, how are you doing today?" try a simple, "Hey, how's it going?" Both convey the same sentiment, but the second option is much more concise. Remember, emojis are your friends. A well-placed emoji can often convey a lot more than words ever could. Just be sure to use them sparingly. Too many emojis can make your text look cluttered and confusing. One of the biggest benefits of dry texting is its efficiency. When you're a dry texter, you're not wasting time crafting the perfect response or agonizing over which emoji to use. You're getting straight to the point, which can be a huge time saver. This is especially useful in situations where time is of the essence. For example, if you're trying to schedule a meeting or confirm a time, dry texting can help you get things done quickly and efficiently. Think of it this way: dry texting is like sending a telegram. Every word counts, so you make sure each one is essential to conveying your message. Section 5: the clarity of conciseness. Contrary to popular belief, dry texting can actually improve communication. It may seem counterintuitive, but the brevity required in dry texting can lead to more thoughtful and deliberate exchanges. When you're forced to be concise, you have to think carefully about the words you use. This means that each word carries more weight and significance, making your messages more impactful. This can lead to clearer, more effective communication. By eliminating unnecessary words, you get straight to the point, reducing the chances of misunderstandings. When you're texting someone who's also a dry texter, there's less room for misinterpretation. Both parties are on the same wavelength, understanding the importance of clarity and brevity. The conversation stays focused, and everyone is on the same page. This can be particularly useful in professional settings where clear and concise communication is crucial. This can be a refreshing change from the often confusing world of long, rambling text conversations. Long messages can be overwhelming and easy to misinterpret, leading to confusion and frustration. Remember, clarity is key in any form of communication. Whether you're texting, emailing, or speaking, being clear and concise helps ensure your message is understood. Dry texting simply forces you to be more mindful of your words and ensures that your message is being received as intended. It encourages you to think before you type, making your communication more effective and meaningful. Section 6. Avoiding misinterpretations. One common concern about dry texting is that it can come across as rude or dismissive. However, this is easily avoidable with a little bit of awareness. Even though you're keeping your messages short, you can still be polite and respectful. Use please and thank you when appropriate. Acknowledge what the other person has said, even if it's just with a simple okay or got it. Remember, tone can be difficult to convey through text. If you're unsure about how your message might be interpreted, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Add a smiley face or a quick lol to soften the blow. Section 7. Embrace the minimalist text. Dry texting is more than just a texting style, it's a mindset. It's about embracing a minimalist approach to communication. It's about valuing your time and the time of others. In a world that's constantly bombarding us with information, it's refreshing to simplify things. Dry texting allows us to do just that. It helps us cut through the noise and focus on what's important. So, the next time you're tempted to send a long, rambling text, take a moment to consider the benefits of dry texting. You might be surprised at how much more efficient and effective your communication can be. Section 8. Dry texting, a world of benefits. In the ever-evolving world of digital communication, dry texting has emerged as a surprisingly effective approach. It's efficient, it's clear, and it can actually improve your communication skills. While it may not be for everyone, dry texting offers a refreshing alternative to the often overwhelming world of constant messaging. So, embrace the power of brevity. Remember, sometimes less truly is more. Happy texting!